Have you ever felt like your dreams are crumbling right before your eyes? Imagine turning every setback into a setup for a remarkable comeback. Today, on the True Motivational Warrior YouTube channel, we're diving deep into the essence of transforming shattered dreams into unstoppable success. Get ready to rebuild your life with a powerful motivational surge that will ignite your journey from defeat to victory. Setting the scene, the battlefield of life. Life often feels like a battlefield where every individual faces their unique challenges. These trials test our emotional, spiritual, and financial resilience. Each person's journey involves navigating through these adversities, shaping their story of either triumph or defeat. It's in these moments that our true character is forged, amidst the chaos and the rubble of our plans, where we find the raw materials to rebuild stronger than ever before. The struggle facing life's hardest moments. Everyone encounters moments when things don't go as planned, impacting all facets of life. These challenges could be losing a loved one, facing financial hardship, or battling a severe illness. How we respond to these obstacles determines whether we emerge victorious or defeated. It's not just about the challenges themselves, but about our reactions to them. Do we let them define us, or do we redefine what it means to be resilient? Turning point, the moment of truth. At the peak of adversity, the choice to surrender or persevere becomes a pivotal moment. This is when true resilience is tested, pushing limits and challenging one's own strength and determination. It's about deciding to listen to wisdom rather than succumb to worry, using setbacks as stepping stones. Imagine this: every setback is not just an obstacle, but an opportunity to prove to yourself what you're made of. The resolution, emerging stronger. Every challenge faced is an opportunity to grow stronger, smarter, and more resilient. The journey through adversity isn't just about survival, but about transformation and victory. Embrace the lessons learned and the strength gained from each battle, carrying them forward as badges of honor. As you conquer each challenge, you're not just moving past it, you're evolving beyond it. New beginnings, a transformed life. Every individual has the intrinsic power to overcome their challenges and transform their lives. This transformation is not just about overcoming, but also about becoming stronger, wiser, and more determined. As you stand today, remember that each step taken in adversity is a step towards a greater destiny. You are not defined by your setbacks, but by your ability to turn them into comebacks. So let this be the moment you decide that nothing will hold you back. Rise up from the ashes of your shattered dreams and step into your role as an unstoppable force of success. Remember, True Motivational Warrior is here with you every step of the way, fueling your fire and cheering you on towards that horizon of new beginnings and transformed lives. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, comment below to share your ideas of what type of videos you would like to see, and subscribe to our channel to get regular videos. Join the True Motivational Warriors clan and keep yourself motivated every single day. Are you ready to stop surviving your setbacks and start building your greatest comeback?